Hi everyone, I'm Mel White from Classic Exhibit. Normally I'm not front and center in our videos, but this one requires a bit of an exploration. As you know, aluminum modular wall systems are widespread for trade shows and events. And that's generally a positive trend, not the least of which is cost and sustainability. In general, modular wall systems can sit in two categories. There are those with holes and loose connectors, and there's the others. The Gravitee One-Step system from Classic fits in that other category. For exhibitors, the cost of trade show labor greatly impacts their trade show budget, which is one of the reasons modularity has become so important. Knowing that, what if the time to assemble a booth could be dramatically reduced? In this video, you'll see two conference rooms being assembled, both with 10 panels and 4 connectors, along with the conference room door and the basic hardware for a monitor. The modular system with holes represents about half a dozen very similar systems, each with their own unique features and benefits. But the assembly concept is basically the same across all of those. Before shooting this video, we assembled both of the conference rooms multiple times to be as efficient as possible and to be as fair, but you'll have to be the judge of that. For more information about the Gravitee modular system or Classic exhibits, reach out to us or contact a Classic distributor. Now for the video.